You're a woman over 40 and you feel like you are trying harder than you ever have in your entire life to lose weight, but the weight refuses to budge. I need you to know that it is not your fault. I see you trying every diet under the sun, every new trend that comes out. You've cut out carbs, you've tried keto, you've tried intermittent fasting, you've tried your old handy diet, and nothing seems to work. In fact, you continue to gain weight. And not only do you gain weight, now you're feeling tired. You feel inflamed. You have joint pain. You can't sleep through the night. You're feeling bloated. Maybe you're constipated, have IBS. Maybe you have hot flashes, and all these new symptoms are popping up. I need you to know that it's not your fault. It's not your age. You are not doomed. Your body is not broken. But the diet is not going to fix it. You need to uncover what's going on with your body, what's going on metabolically, hormonally, what has changed, and what do you need to do in order to address the root issue so weight loss becomes easier and you don't have to diet anymore. And I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be teaching you exactly what's going on and what you need to do after 40 to lose weight without dieting on my upcoming 2-day workshop. It's February 10th and 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern Times, and it's live training that's going to give you a blueprint of what you need to do in order to lose weight with ease after 40. I invite you to register at nutritionherway.com/workshop. It's live, it's on Zoom, spots are limited. You're going to have a time to be able to unmute yourself and ask me any burning questions you have. And this is what we're going to cover. We're going to start with what's going on with your body, what's shifting hormonally and metabolically, and why it's making weight loss so hard. Then we're going to talk about the mistakes that you might be making that are keeping you stuck. And then we're going to go into step by step, the exact framework that I share with my clients who lose weight with ease, who sleep better through the night, who ditch the bloating, who improve their digestion. We're going to go through it step by step together. And then you're going to ask me any questions that you have in order to uncover what might be going on in your body. So I would love to see you. Again, spots are limited because I want this to be very intimate. So go to nutritionherway.com/workshop to sign up. Also, I'll be giving away 2 $500 scholarships to be used towards my program. And there will be prizes because I want this to be fun. I want this to be engaging for you. And I want you to really get the most of this training because I want you to get off the struggle bus. Weight loss should not have to be so hard. And I want to help you with that.